Guys, thank you for joining us today. Welcome to our channel. I'm super excited to see you here today. In this video, I will show you how to remove the headlight assembly from 2001 BMW M3 E46, and later I will show you how to reinstall it back in. So stay with us. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed, please do so by clicking this button on the bottom right corner of your screen, and I will show you more projects on the BMWs or any kind of different cars I work on. In my case, 2001 BMW M3 convertible. All you would need to do is to remove this 1, 2, 3 down there and 4 right there. That one is tricky, so you would need to have an extension and a magnet. And here's my little trick. So set the magnet to the side of the socket, and then you set the bolt in, and voila, it's attached. And that's how I pulled it out. Now the side light or the blinker is actually inserted in the housing of the headlight, so do not worry about that. You would also need to remove this trim piece, which is clipped on this side right here, also clipped in the actually slid inside of the fender, like so. This is how the housing looks. So it just slides over this piece. Be careful with this one. 1, 2, 3. Just clip underneath the light housing. Like I said, you will have to be careful with this little clip that goes inside and over the part of the headlight housing. So like I told you before, the side light or the blinker is just inside of the housing of the main headlamp. You just need to press this one down and it slides out fairly easily, like so. hook up the lights first, blinker, low beam, and then high beam. We're gonna be doing the deep bolts first. Get the magnet, attach it to the side of your socket, the bolt in, and it sits there still. $8mm. Hey, thank you for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful to you. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so I can see you soon again. Bye bye.